Hey friends, today I'm going to be repotting a whole bunch of our succulent plants that kind of got overgrown over the summer. And I'll be using a few really cool Amazon products, and I'll leave my affiliate link in the comments below for some of the different products that we've been trying out to make repotting and planting a little bit easier. So here's one of them. I used this 3-tier and just kind of stuck our different succulents all over it. This one's turning out pretty cool. I can't wait to kind of see it fill in. And then here's a shelf that we brought in from outside and all the different succulents that we repotted and kind of have it sitting on here. But as you can see, this corner is really dark. And so I actually ordered a plant light to help light those. And then last on my list was to repot some of my ferns that had a bunch of winter die-off and just kind of add in a few extras. So here's what it looks like afterwards. I decided not to repot the center fern. It still looked pretty healthy in there, but probably we'll put it in a bigger pot next year. But I really like this new ivy that I found that I'm going to mix with the one fern. Otherwise, that one's looking pretty good as well. And this green thing was amazing for keeping the dirt off my floors. And then here's what it looks like with the plant light. So as you can see, it's kind of got a red and a blue light, and so it says that this will really help with the plant growth and even fruit or bearing flowers as well. So we'll give this a whirl and see how this does for our succulents this winter, and hopefully we can keep them thriving and looking really healthy come next spring. And so this does have a couple really cool features. It had a timer on it, and you could even switch it to the red light or the blue light, or you could have the both lights. And it does go about 50 some inches tall. So, and the arms were bendable, which was really cool, so that I could just kind of adjust it to make sure to hit all of the different spots on the plants. And then just to kind of show you how I have our other plants set up. So here's those 3 ferns that I repotted. They're in front of our big bay window. And then I have a flowering plant, which is kind of dying off for the winter months. And then I put our succulent here in front of the window as well, because it's kind of needing light on all 4 sides. So this way I can just easily turn it around to give each side some more sunlight. But if in the event it needs more light, I can always move it over by our plant light.